back. In this video, I'm gonna see how we can pass objects as arguments to a function. And first, I'm gonna create a class, car. It's gonna have a class variable color. It's gonna be equal to none. And then I'm gonna go down here, and I will define a change color function. And it's going to take a parameter car, and this can have whatever name you want, and color colon, and then I'm going to type car dot color is going to be equal to color. Let's push this. All right, now let's go down here. I'm going to type car underscore 1 equals to car underscore 2 equals to car, and car underscore 3 equals to car. Now I'm gonna go down here, and I'll type change color, and I'll pass car1 color, let's say red, change color again, car2 color blue, change color again, car3 color white. Then down here I will type print car1 dot color and car2 and car3 dot color. Now if you run this, you get red, blue and white, so you get the output, the values for our color, and they were changed using this function. Now I can go up here and I can create another class called motorcycle. So I'm gonna type motor cycle, and it's also going to have a class variable color, and it's going to be equal to none. But let's push this a little bit, this also, let's push this down. Alright, and I can go here and I can type, let me first create an instance. So I'm going to type motorcycle equals with motorcycle. Then I'm going to type change color motorcycle, let's put green. And if I go down here, I'll type print motorcycle dot color. So now if I run this, get red, blue, white and green for the motorcycle. So this is how you can pass objects as arguments to functions. All right.